itself represented a challenge in that many applications exist where you have to go over the nut to be able to turn it. An open-end application like you have on the hand tools and all that is the only way to access a lot of stuff. Now that works fine when you have very low torque requirements, things that are in the 100 to 200 foot-pound range. When you get into high foot-pound torque ranges like our JN30 is capable of over 30,000 foot-pounds, an open-end application is not practical. It is not possible to achieve that. The ends just spread open and it goes around. When we first started looking at this, we decided that we could do it based on the design of our tool using an arc. Our inline tools have an arc in the body and the head. If we used a solid head, that is a non-ratcheting head, what we decided it could do is if we made an open gate, one that would open, allow access to the tool over the rod or shaft, and then would close behind it, it would give the tool itself the integrity to be able to maintain accurate high torque values. We start with raw materials. We'll get in raw stock of different high-grade alloys materials. They are cut up to size to match the appropriate piece. From that point, the machining processes begin. We have anywhere from an 18 to a 25-step process to make each individual piece. Most pieces are made in CNC equipment. Now, after they are assembled to complete the entire tool, which in essence comprised of us making the tool from scratch. The only parts that we don't manufacture ourselves are the hydraulic seals. Using our patented JN series tool on a top drive allows end users to be able to accurately torque their packing nuts for the first time. Previously, and the only way that there has been to tighten or loosen these packing nuts, which are all national nuts, are based on hammers. They have ears on these nuts and they just hammer them tight or hammer them loose. This has been deemed dangerous. It's always been slow, and there's just never been an option up until now. One of our customers, where we were doing a demo, had 8 compressors to repair. It was a major repair. They had budgeted 2 days of time just to break the jam nuts loose. Part of our demonstration was to see if we could possibly save them some time in this process. At the end of the demonstration, we had broken all 8 jam nuts loose in 2 hours, not 2 days. Well, that's the downside. We don't think it's ever going to wear out. The tool is so simple and so strong that it should last forever. I believe that the only way you're going to need a replacement part for this tool is if someone loses it. The fact that it has an open head and can go around a rod or shaft is what completely separates this tool from anything else. There are no other torque wrenches on the market that can do this. It works simply, it's strong, it's accurate, and it's safe.